समावे तब तो हो गया, दुल्हन तो तुम होना, ठीक है? So we are hosted it, right? Where? On website. But and how many of you have done web projects? Okay. भाई ये सरमाना है, बाकी तुम लोग ऐसे ही है भाई, बाकी सब सरमाना है, बाकी बात है। तो अभी सबको तो इंटरनेट प्रोग्रामिंग क्लास में करनी थी, फिर भी सब ऐसे कर रहे कोई बात नहीं। So the thing is, if you have to get on GitHub, okay, once you have done your project and you have put it on GitHub, if you put your home page at index.html, this is the right practice, right? And then from GitHub, there is a feature GitHub pages. You just have to activate it and make sure that your home page is index.html and it will be hosted online. Until and unless it is a really big project like of React or Angular. If you are using that, then you know what are the packages and then you can install GS pages and you can use it. But that's another story. In GS pages, GitHub pages, you can see how your website is being deployed, how the cache are being generated. Once you commit something, you can see that up there. So let me ask someone from here. Okay. Here you are. First, like maybe they are teaching Python now. To first year student. Okay. I can get it. Like in my time it was okay. There are VTCC, so good. Everything was good. A second year student है ना? वो very good. I was good. इंटरनेट प्रोग्रामिंग लैपटॉप पिछले ईयर हुआ हुआ कुछ, उसमें प्रोजेक्ट मिला होगा कुछ, क्या किया था? TS पे उसको डेटा बेस में एक्टिवेट करा था, पूछ रहा था मास्टर बोलता, सरमाना की ना शादी थोड़ी है कोई, और तू लड़की वाली सारी से थोड़ी है, कब? दुल्हन को उससे लेना होता गाड़ी में। It was okay. Lot of funs, but it was okay. Look, John, we're gripping the dark heavenly demons or shifted his gaze. Bro, what is happening? That was. Hello. I guess we were starting soon, so now introducing Siddhi Pradhan Mahatma. He is a proud international. He has done a lot of things in the DevOps area, and currently he is the CNCF facilitator. So guys, give a big round of applause. सब खाना खा के हो तो ताली बजती नहीं। नहीं हमने खाना नहीं खाया तो यूज़ कर लिया। Hello. Hello everyone. Can anyone tell about Docker? What is Docker? Hello? Hello everyone? So, can anyone tell about Docker? What is Docker?
Basically, a Docker is a container program which is actually done for hosting any kind of program. Let's say I want to develop or to host my Python application on any platform, let's say on AWS. So to ensure that the particular AWS use my competitive environment, let's say my packages, my libraries, etc. Just to ensure these on my platform, on my application to ensure that running this is used.
Any like explain? I can tell about some Docker. Docker is a containerized platform. We can container our application over there, and any sort of application we need not require any OS over there because container is OS free. We can share the host OS only. So we can see a demo of that. How we can deploy application on Docker using Docker file. How we can make an image. How we can make snippet from image. How we can make a container. Let's go for this. Okay. Firstly, we will deploy an application in AWS. Anyone know about AWS services? What are the AWS services are there? Can you explain? Anyone? AWS services.
EC2 is there.
Asking about AWS services. What are the services? Okay, website hosting. For that, we are using easy to calculate instance, and we have AWS Meta, we have ID management rules, base special buckets, we have Elastic stock. Okay. Actually, AWS have 200 plus services. It is used now. AWS 200 plus services. We will use today EC2 instance to deploy our application order. And for web application, we are using Elastic Beanstalk. Can you tell me what are the Linux levels? What are the Linux levels are there? What are the different operating system of Linux?
Kali, Debian, Ubuntu.
Okay, Kali, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Garuda, Windows, all these CentOS, all these are Linux level. Today in this demo we will use Ubuntu because Ubuntu is my favorite. And some of the package managers also there. Package manager like apt, yum, rpm. This is the package management tool. Yeah. So first of all, we will deploy our compute engine in AWS. After that, we will interact to that. We will do SSH port is 22. So this is our AWS console. So we will go to EC2 instance.
Yes,
like too much short right now. I force like trying to like reach something right to be visible right. It's new.
So first of all, we will go to EC2 instance. EC2, what is the full form of EC2? Elastic Compute Cloud, right? Yeah. And we will go to logs instance. After logs instance, we will be near there. We will switch to we will write any name over there. We will write my name. So there is so many images also is there. OS image you can go. We can choose Ubuntu over there. It is under free file eligible. You have to choose that. After that, we will choose the instant type. What are the instant type? Just for our users, we can choose instant type. T2 micro, T2 medium.
Guys, can I have your attention? How many of you know about AWS? Okay, okay. Or any other cloud apart from AWS? How many of you used it actually? Okay. I can see a few people, but it's a very important skill, right? You must know AWS or GCP or any other cloud if you are a CSA student. It's a very important skill, and you have an opportunity to learn what is EC2. EC2 is basically you can put in cloud servers, right? You have an opportunity to learn here. My co-host is trying to do a hands-on. Please follow along. It's a very important skill. You are going to need it when you come to second year or even first year. If you want to host your projects or something.
Thank you. We will go to instant type. We'll select 32 micro only because it is a small application we are doing. There is a tons of instance of processors also there, is there, nano, micro, small, medium.
Alright, so give me a minute. So now let me ask a very deep question, right? AWS, right? Who have heard the term AWS basically? Raise your hand to know what AWS is. Or have at least heard the name. Only this number of people know. Really? Sir, what AWS is? Tell me.
यार अगर नहीं पता तो गूगल कर दे यार।
गूगल कर लो ना।
फटाक से पता लगता है। अगर यही बात अगर तुम्हारा एग्जाम था अभी तक सब करके बैठे होते। आवाज आ रही है पीछे तक आ रही है ना? बस देख लो भाई मुझे को नहीं जरूरत।
Tell me what AWS is, anybody? Amazon has AWS. Google AWS. What? Amazon? Yeah, that's obvious. Who is the largest user of AWS? And which particular service? Customer, good customer. The largest customer of AWS. Yes, no? Netflix? No, Netflix is not. Anybody else? Anybody else, guys? Search करो Google पे. सबको फोन में सर्च ही कर रहे थे. Facebook is the biggest user of AWS. Netflix? Huh? LinkedIn? Why would LinkedIn use AWS?
Very well, chill. Just simple question. The word chills is simultaneous with what? Like seriously, I repeat, ऐसी audience यार. Netflix and chill किसी ने नहीं सुना? हाँ, seriously?
ये इधर से दिखा दी थी भाई।
So now somebody told me that LinkedIn comes under Microsoft, right? How can they use AWS? Correct. Huh? Big P. The answer is actually internet. And who is the second largest, you know? I don't. Correct. And there is one more. The bill of this particular service was actually that much high. It was already banned. It is Amazon Prime. Anybody know about the Amazon Prime disaster? Everybody knows? Amazon Prime disaster. Search for this thing, Amazon Prime disaster.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. There is something called as serverless architecture, and there is something called as monolith architecture, right? Currently, serverless architecture is in trend. People are Java over it, but Amazon Prime did the complete opposite. They shifted from serverless architecture to the monolith architecture.
Because of the bill. Okay. Now search about this on Google. Now wait about it. Huh? Movies are real. You see? Movies are real. So basically what happened? The bill skyrocketed. Okay. Amazon was like, should I stop Prime for one day? Because they lost near about 100 times the cost they invest on Amazon Prime. In one day, by the way. Because of one miscalculation of their part, like what they did, thought. They never considered that their servers can also be a bit slow. Okay, and so the servers retry 1,000 times in 1 second. And this happening over a day means every time of spawning instance for serverless, okay, spawning 1,000 servers in 1 second for 1 day. Yeah, this actually happened. Alright. Now, what my friend is trying to teach you here is how to deploy an application, that is a to-do list application that he put it in Python to AWS, right? Why AWS? I can also use a VM, right? Right, Ajit? I can use VM.
Yep. I know, I guess I will also. If I was beginner, I would use that only.
Exactly. If you have all the data, we can easily deploy our services in VM. But now the part comes, if I do in VM, I can access my 20 lakhs same network. What about the entire world, right? That's why we try to use a cloud server, that is AWS or let's say GCP service. Anybody else? Anybody knows like other than this GCP and AWS? Anybody? Azure? Okay. Anybody else? Azure. What? Salesforce? Very nice. Anybody else? Why are you using it? Great. Oracle? Nice. OCA. There anybody else? There are more actually. Google knows about GCP.
Someone used Hacktoberfest. So, which company organizes Hacktoberfest? Anybody knows?
Cisco? No.
Seriously, यार सारे टी-शर्ट के लिए करते हो? Digital Ocean, I guess.
It's not a month, guys. Seriously, परसों ही खत्म हुआ है. After that, it
पहले हफ्ते करना रहता है. पहले हफ्ते में कर लो आराम से टी-शर्ट मिलेगी फ्री में सब.
It is digital ocean and blue whale. Digital ocean. There are many more. Okay? We use this service. No, Zoho doesn't have a cloud. Zoho is a SaaS software cloud. No. Is there? Now, why you choose AWS? Anybody? There is digital ocean. There is Linode. Why you specifically choose AWS? You know why?
There is a hint, guys. Maintain.
Yeah, there is a hint written there, by the way. Can you please zoom in? Free access over here, yeah, that's it. What is the term called basically? Free, not trial, free tier access. That is how if you sign up to Amazon AWS Web Services, you can get 1 year of free access. You can do anything. You can deploy projects forever. You are like how much hours per month? 750 hours per month for EC2. You can deploy any server and you want. Right?
50 hours once the course is running, you can keep it running for 10 hours.
Correct, yeah.
If you are using only one code.
Right. And now we specifically show something called EC2. Everyone knows what is EC2, not you. A lot of friend people. Anybody else from backside will try about EC2? Or I will pick randomly. Okay, one answer. Fine. What is from backside?
Guys in the back.
Guys in the back. We don't take all money.
Yeah. So seriously, like I guess this one is okay. क्या बताया?
EC2 service. Okay, fine.
That was nice. Anyone else?
Guys, what is EC2? Search on Google.
Yeah. And finally, we have got one who is using the way we will like elastic compute too. As the name suggests, what is the word elastic to you? Can anyone tell? What is elastic? It is not computer science related. Scalable. That was a nice one. So elastic means scalable. You can do up, down, whatever as you require. Like you know, elastic cloths. It can stretch. It's not. If
On
you
the
are
go,
sleep,
on the go.
on the go. Like when you need, if someone who is like these two, then this can that can expand.
Correct.
And if someone is like our graphic designer, Sayam, so graphics is done by him. So if someone that also fits them. So it was nice. And compute is basically what computation. So this can fit whatever your demand is on the go, whatever computation environment you need as per your requirement on the go. That is elastic compute too.
Okay. We have got a new term here. Scalable. What does scalable mean?
To use basically. Scalable are different meaning, but what do you mean by scalability?
In this context, obviously.
I already discussed answer with them. Not them, not
Okay,
them.
okay, okay.
He knows.
I know what scalable means, but
बुरा नहीं मानना भाई।
So what do you want?
मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही है।
There are services that you can vertically scale. There are services that you can horizontally scale. Do you know the difference?
One new term, vertical scalability and horizontal scalability. Something new? Yes, I'll continue.
No, it is not new for them. A lot of them are from second years,
Yep.
and they all have learned it in their class. I am sure of that because one of my junior is also in second year. He have learned it. So anyone ever heard the word abracadabra?
Vertical scalability. Vertical scalability.
Basically, it was very simple. What is vertical? एक ऐसे जा रहा, horizontal एक ऐसे जा रहा. It is very simple.
Simple.
So, in simple words, I am telling you. If I will tell you, I have to run. Okay, I have to run. So, if I will go from one place to the second place horizontally, what I will have to do? I will have to put some energy and a lot of things. Like basically, what happens in horizontal way, when we have horizontally scale, we have to put a lot of extra infrastructure. Okay, but what if we have to like touch it? I will just do what? I will put extra energy in that was
So you understand the point, right?
so here what I have to do? I have to put some extra energy on my own. I can't use someone else. So here what happens in vertical scaling, we will upgrade the power of the existing infrastructure.
Correct.
अब एक सेकंड, सबने सुना मैंने क्या बोला? सबने सुना? ठीक है, तो उनमें से कोई बताओ कि मैंने क्या बोला? वेरी सिंपल।
कोई समराइज कर दो।
कोई समराइज कर दो। करना चाहोगे? कोई हाँ बताओ। माइक लेके जाना पड़ेगा।
Adding power to existing infrastructure means vertical scaling, and adding more infrastructure refers to horizontal scaling.
Guys, एक बार have a big round of applause for him because he learned for something from you. अरे वैसे भी दे रहे थे क्या? मैं बता देता यार।
Well, we have a lot of stress and we don't want to take it that seriously.
Like our team members are already a lot. If someone is coming to our events, they know. We don't give t-shirts always, but you know a lot of stress. Like he just got a notebook or bottles. And for today's event also we have some t-shirts, but there is some size issue, so we are limited. It's okay.
So yeah, so easy to do. Now when we come to cloud, there is something called how much access to give to whom. Okay. And this is regulated by which service? IAM? Yeah, that's correct. IAM. Full form क्या होता है IAM? क्या सुन के क्या होता है IAM? Not you, man. You know. You have given OCI. Come on. Anybody else want to try? Correct. Identity and access management. That's absolutely correct.
अच्छा, कोई एक ऐसा बंदा जिसको पहले नहीं पता हो आइडेंटिटी एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है?
हाँ.
जिसको नहीं पता हो.
But नाम से कैसे करो?
हाँ 2 3 4 5 बाकी सबको पहले से पता था. अब तो मैं मान लिया कि तुम लोग हो एक्सपर्ट. ठीक है, मैंने पूछा तुमने बताया. अब बताओ आइडेंटिटी एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट से तुम्हें क्या लगता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द वर्ड आइडेंटिटी?
आइडेंटिटी एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट मतलब इससे हमें समझ में आ रहा है कि हम किसको इसको एक्सेस दे सकते हैं या फिर मतलब हमारे जो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है इसमें किस किसको डिफरेंट यूजर आईडीज को मैनेज
Exactly, that was the word. So he basically summarized it in one line. किस किस आईडी को हम एक्सेस देना चाहते हैं वो हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं. दैट इज आइडेंटिटी एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट. लाइक नेम सेज इट ऑल कि कौन कौन सी आईडीज है जिन्हें हम एक्सेस देना. डीबीएमएस पढ़ा होगा, सबको पता होगी जब हम बनाते हैं स्कीमा तो प्राइमरी की हमेशा अक्सर आईडी को ही रखते हैं. मतलब अभी अपने स्टेज पे तो वही कर रहे होगे ना. हायर स्टेजेस पे भी वही होता है, बट हम थोड़ा क्या होते हैं काफी सारी आईडी होती है तो एक स्पेसिफिक आईडी का लंबा चौड़ा नाम होता है, बट होता वो आईडी ही है.
करेक्ट. बट अभी हमने जाना कि हाँ आईएमएस फॉर गिविंग एक्सेस. नाउ एक्सेस तो बहुत तरह के हो सकते हैं. हाउ मेनी कैन डू दिस? मतलब बेसिक हो कितना एक होगा बेसिक यूजर है ना. ही कैन ओनली लॉग इन एंड सी व्हाट इज योर व्यू वन बोलते हैं उसको, है ना. सेकंड एक्सेस क्या होता है? व्यू वन. हां सेकंड क्या हो सकता है? यस एडिट. फाइन बॉक्स एडिट. थर्ड क्या हो सकता है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. तुम एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर के बीच में लगा सकते हो वेरिएबल में. ठीक है. लेट मी गिव यू अ हिंट. क्या अगर मैंने अपने कार्ड डिटेल्स ऐड किए हैं, ठीक है, क्या मैं चाहूंगा मेरा जो दूसरा दोस्त है एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ने ऐड किया उन्होंने कार्ड डिटेल्स देख पाए? नहीं समझ रहे. सो देयर समथिंग कॉल्ड एडमिन बट बिलिंग रेस्ट्रिक्टेड. ठीक है. तो उसको हम पता क्या बोलते हैं? उसको बोलते हैं क्लाउड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर. उसके बाद आता है एडमिन. ठीक है.
And there is one role above that.
हां देयर इज वन रोल अबाउट दैट.
Just think who will be.
अगर एडमिन बिलो है उसको कोई काम कर सकता है.
मतलब जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होगा तुम्हारा स्कूल होगा, ठीक है. स्कूल में एक प्रिंसिपल, एक हेड, मतलब एक होंगे जिनकी जो कि पूरा स्कूल चलाते होंगे. पर एक कोई बंदा होगा जो कि 4-5 दिन ही बस स्कूल आता होगा, पर वो जब आते होंगे तो सबकी लग जाती होगी. वो कौन होता है? ओनर, स्कूल का मालिक. सो दैट इज द थिंग. देयर इज समवन हायर रोल, ओनर एक्सेस. So he can also change admin also, so something like that. बस सिंपल भाषा में स्कूल वाली चीज चल रही है.
And in terms of variables उसकी लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं हम लोग सुपर एडमिन. ठीक है. एडमिन and then super admin. There will always be one super admin or one owner for a problem.
Only one.
Alright. Now, so yeah, I guess now you guys know what we are dealing with right now and what we want to teach you. So please listen to them. Thank you.
ओके. अभी मैं एक सिनेरियो देता हूँ. ठीक है. जैसे आपने एक सैंपल सा मतलब कुछ भी एक पाइथन ऐप बनाया, राइट. जो कुछ फॉर एग्जांपल इंटरनेट से इमेज डाउनलोड कर रहा है, ठीक है. वो आपने बनाया सिंपल सा पाइथन स्क्रिप्ट है, वो आपके लैपटॉप पे चल रहा है, राइट. व्हाट इफ यू वांट टू शेयर द ऐप विद योर फ्रेंड्स, है ना. एक तरीका है यू कुड लीव इट रनिंग ऑन योर लैपटॉप, ठीक है, एंड I mean, leave your laptop connected to the internet. But in that case, आपको आपके कंप्यूटर को हमेशा पावर सप्लाई देना पड़ेगा, इंटरनेट एक्सेस देना पड़ेगा, राइट. सब कुछ खुद से मैनेज करना पड़ेगा. But what if अचानक से पावर कट होता है? What if the internet goes down? आपका जो ऐप है, it will also go down, right? Now imagine Google goes down, right? ऐसा हम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. तो इसके लिए we offload the entire thing to someone else. In our case it's AWS, right. अभी हमारा टेंशन नहीं है कि मेरे सर्वर को काइंड ऑफ इंटरनेट आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, पावर सप्लाई आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा है, वो AWS का टेंशन है. और उसके बदले हम उनको पे करते हैं, राइट. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीस टू AWS मतलब अपडेट मतलब सिस्टम अपडेटेड है कि नहीं, राइट. कुछ वल्नरेबिलिटी है कि नहीं, ये भी हमारा रिस्पांसिबिलिटी नहीं रहता है, वो क्लाउड का हो जाता है, राइट. सो इसलिए हम सर्वर यूज करते हैं, राइट. मूविंग ऑन, आपने क्या बना लिया. अब वी आर ट्राइंग टू टीच यू कैसे उसको अपलोड करना है सर्वर पे और कैसे यू कुड अलाउ एवरीवन ऑन द इंटरनेट टू यूज इट, राइट.
Now, adding on to Arvin's point, that is उसने बोला कि हाँ definitely server cost is given maintained by AWS. Now think about buying a PC with a very good configuration. Let's say what 4090 good configuration definitely graphic card. Then we have what AMD Threadripper. Anybody prices for Threadripper? It was anybody 32 cores of the BIOS. 1600 USD for just a CPU. हमारे इसका 40 MB का प्राइस आएगा near about 5,000 USD. देखो 7,000 USD से दो components खरीदने में आ गए. अब now think about like if you are getting a monitor in a keyboard होगा जाएगा. But motherboard वगैरह हो गया, network supply because it should have at least 8 to 10 gigabit connection persistently, right? And there is also one more thing, IP address, है ना? हम तो IP यूज करते हैं, तो security तो चाहिए, है ना? तो हम लोग का IP क्या चाहिए? डायनामिक भी चाहिए रहती है, but right now it is only static IP. The cost बहुत ज्यादा पैसा रहता है. Now I do not have next startup को, I want to scale faster, है ना? So I use it, so I use it. Continue, yeah, how do you?
So now I'm going to explain what are the types of cloud. Types of cloud means there are different types of cloud. Means there are as per service model and as per deployment model. So can anyone say what are the as per service model? That is ask, pass, and SaaS. What is the full form of that? Can anyone tell?
SaaS is software as a service.
Can anyone? One question. Raise your hand.
So IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. And there is one more.
Software as a
Yeah,
service.
software.
Okay, fine. इन्होंने तीन terms mention किया. Software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and platform as a service. कोई difference बता सकता है क्या? There's definitely a big difference among these three. इसलिए distinct है, right? Anyone? Okay, what do you mean by software as a service? Building service for customer, right. You're almost there. Okay, how many of you use Canva? Almost everyone. And what is Canva?
Pictures, videos,
Okay, basically with a software where you can edit photos and videos, right? You could do this on, let's say, Photoshop also, right? So software as a service is basically a company is building something and they are offering it to you for a very minimal charge. They are not entirely selling it to you, right? That's software as a service. Now, what is infrastructure as a service and what is platform as a service?
Platform as a service.
Yeah, so as a service method, they are providing the customers for a minimal charge. Now, in case of software, it was something like Canva. What would it be in case of infrastructure or in case of platform? What is a platform? Okay.
I'm going to tell what is platform as a service. In platform service as a service, we have all the dependencies of computer program like online compiler. It is a platform as a service, and as a infrastructure as a service, like we have all the hardware we are using remotely. Like on-premises, off-premises. On-premises means we are using in our local system. Off-premises means we are remotely using that instance or that hardware.
Okay, here is a quick question. We all use UMS, right? UMS, LP touch. Everything is being stored somewhere and computed somewhere. Can anybody tell, is it on-site or off-site? On-premise or off-premise? Off-premise? Are you sure? Off-premise means it's hosted somewhere else on the cloud. On-premise means it's hosted right there. What is it?
On-premise.
On-site. How many of you are for on-premise? And how many of you are for off-premise? Okay, fine. Have you tried to access UMS without logging into internet? I mean, the what is it? Internet 24 something. Have you you try to access UMS. Does it work? It still works, right? It does work. Even if you are not connected to the internet, UMS still works because it is hosted locally. It's on premise, right?
As per deployment model, what are the types of cloud? As per deployment model, can you understand? As per deployment model, what are the types of cloud? There are 4 types of cloud as per deployment model.
Public, private, community, and hybrid.
And there is one more by the way. Correct. What is the multi-cloud and public? Also, just search it.
फटाफट भाई साहब में तुमको जब स्पीड से करते हो यार 5 सेकंड के लिए टीचर इधर है अपन एक्सपर्ट है यार तुम लोग वही बंदे हो यार सीए चल रहा होता है टीचर थोड़ा सा पीछे जाते हैं तब तक आंसर मार्क हो जाता है हाँ
transition from Google GCP to AWS दो सर्विसेज या फिर एक यूज कर रहा है ऑन प्रेमिस यूज कर रहा है कुछ सर्विसेज ऑन प्रेमिस है कुछ सर्विसेज क्लाउड पे वो यूजुअली बैंक्स यूज करते हैं वो हाइब्रिड हो गया
One multi cloud consists of more than one public cloud.
Right. Public and private both are the same thing.
Okay, can anyone explain about community cloud? What is community cloud?
Try करो यार, at least try करो.
अब सिंपल सी बात है क्लाउड है कम्युनिटी वर्ड है कम्युनिटी क्या होती है सब लोग मिलकर के कर रहे होंगे क्या अपना एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टाइप बना लिए होंगे ठीक है और कुछ तो कर रहे होंगे बस उसी चीज को लोग क्लाउड पे कर रहे होंगे क्या सिंपल है ना मतलब इसी अनुसार से सोचो इट इज नॉट दैट मच हार्ड जस्ट सिंपल कि तुमको 10 नंबर का क्वेश्चन दे दिया और उसको आंसर करना है कुछ तो लिख के आओगे तुम लोग 2-4 पेज तो भर ही दोगे आई गेस
Okay, so basically, community cloud can be a kind of a cloud which actually connects to or the more cloud. Let's say that we are using the 2 or more cloud services and connecting them to particular target, particular organization, or to meet the requirement of particular client.
Actually it was nice because आधे लोग तो पीछे वाले तो बोल रहे कि भैया ये तो आप लोग बोल रहे हो ये तो मतलब अपन पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेंगे ठीक है तो किसी ने बोल दिया कि फिर
You're saying correct. Why will banks use community cloud? Let's say I am a
थोड़ा कस के
Banks use community clouds. The reason is there are a bunch of folks in an organization trying to cooperate.
fair answer. Anybody else?
Like GitHub or Discord server, are they community clouds?
No. Now, put in answer what community cloud is. Okay. So let's say I am a school. Okay. And there are a bunch of schools. Okay. Every school has a similar requirement. So what I will do, instead of deploying a private cloud, I will deploy and see first I find if there are a bunch of schools deploying something. Okay. Let's say the company which provides cloud services. Okay. I will contact them and what they are going to do, they are going to deploy my school architecture in their cloud. And in this community cloud, all the companies that are registered here are same background. Let's say schools, let's say hospitals, they have same requirements, right? So this is what we call a community cloud. Alright? Community cloud is a part of public cloud. Okay? Alright. Thank you, please.
basically it was really simple like
Always speak a very simple answer.
सिंपल आंसर मैंने स्टार्ट में बोला था कि क्या हो रहा है कुछ लोग मिलके अपना ग्रुप बना करके कुछ तो कर रहे होंगे दैट इज एक्चुअली व्हाट इज कम्युनिटी सो कुछ स्कूल्स थे कुछ बैंक थे अब उनको क्या है कि सिमिलर रिक्वायरमेंट है कम्युनिटी कब बनते हैं जब 4-5 लोगों का एक ही मतलब होता है मतलब ही दुनिया है यार छोड़ो बट ठीक है एक ही मतलब होता है तो सब एक साथ मिलकर के एक जगह कर रहे हैं एक चीज मैं पहले ही बता दूं एक अच्छा क्लाउड इंजीनियर वो नहीं होता जो कि तुम्हारे किसी भी चीज को क्लाउड पे ले जाके डिप्लॉय कर सकता है। वो एक अच्छा क्लाउड इंजीनियर वो, क्योंकि ये चीज बेसिकली हर कोई कर सकते हैं। एक अच्छे सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर की क्या क्या पहचान होती है कि वो हर चीज को कर तो सब कोई सकता है, कौन इफिशिएंटली करता है, राइट? किसके कोर्स ज्यादा जल्दी एग्जीक्यूट होते हैं। सेम गोज फॉर क्लाउड इंजीनियर, जो क्लाउड इंजीनियर हर चीज को कितने सस्ते में करता है, बिकॉज कॉस्ट रियली इज अ बिग थिंग इन द क्लाउड। सो who optimizes the most of the cost, he is a really good engineer। तो आपको बेसिकली कम्युनिटी क्लाउड कर क्या रही है, सारे लोग अपना अलग अलग डिप्लॉय करते हैं, सबको पैसे देने होते हैं। उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं भाई, इससे अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप लगाते हैं, 4-5 को एक साथ आते हैं और एक ही साथ कर लेंगे। मतलब वही बात है, सबने कम्युनिटी बनाई, एक साथ डिप्लॉय कर लिया बेसिकली। कोई ऐसा जिसको अभी भी नहीं समझ आया हो? Guys in the third last row, in the middle row, in the third last bench.
I know इंडिया का मैच चल रहा है यार, लेकिन ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं।
Good morning.
यार क्या करोगे देख के, ऑलरेडी जीत रहा है।
अच्छा ठीक है, सब लोग
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। हॉटस्टार यूज करते हैं हम, राइट? मैच के टाइम पे कॉन्करेंट व्यूअर्स कितने होते हैं, कोई गेस करेगा?
2 करोड़, 4 करोड़। ऐसे ऐसे क्या वो 2 करोड़ की बात है, 1 करोड़ चले, क्या वो होगा पॉसिबल? क्यों नहीं होगा? चलो आगे बढ़ो। आराम से रेस करना है।
हल्क का नाम कौन कौन जानता है? हल्क, हाँ, ओके ओके। और हॉटस्टार भी सुना होगा, AWS भी सुना होगा, ये सारे नाम अब तक सुन लिए होंगे। तो मैं पता नहीं हॉटस्टार, AWS और हल्क का क्या रिलेशन है। रिलेटेड टू क्रिकेट, रिलेटेड टू क्रिकेट। हाँ, एक हल्क अगर फुटबॉल बोलता है तो तुमको पता है, मस्त फुटबॉलर है अपना, एक फुटबॉलर है। अगर कोई फुटबॉल फैन हो तो आई गेस स्पेन की किसी टीम से खेलता है, अभी स्पेन में है। नहीं, हल्क करके प्लेयर है। हाँ, बट बेसिकली व्हाट इज, आप सब जब मैच देख रहे हो तो पहले ना काफी दिक्कत आती थी। अगर कोई आई गेस 2017-18 के टाइम पे हॉटस्टार पे अगर मैच देखते होंगे तो याद होगा कि बहुत सारे मैच अक्सर फंस जाते थे, राइट? तो ऐसा क्या किया जाए कि सारा कुछ एक साथ चले, क्योंकि इंडिया की रिक्वायरमेंट है भाई। आप अगर मैच नहीं, अगर थोड़ा भी गड़बड़ होगा तो आपको पता है ट्विटर पे आपके साथ क्या होने वाला है उस दिन, कंपनी के साथ क्या होने वाला है। और तो हमारे यहाँ के लोग काफी अच्छे हैं, अगर थोड़ा भी गुस्सा आता है प्ले स्टोर पे जाकर के 1 स्टार रेटिंग देने में थोड़ा भी नहीं पीछे हटते, राइट?
For screening of last year's match, the team had Nova Digital or Hotstar, and they basically contacted 7 developers team from what? ESPN, ठीक है? Preparation start हो गया था, they were 6 months ahead, ठीक है? 6 महीने में उन लोगों ने they tried to contact every broadcaster।
ESPN का भी जो कर रहा है ना, वो एक इंडियन स्टार्टअप है, मेरे को नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, समथिंग रिलेटेड टू फ्लो करके कुछ तो है, वो एक इंडियन स्टार्टअप है। उन्होंने बेसिकली ये पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बना रखा है। बेसिकली देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियन स्टार्टअप ना, जिनका आपने नाम नहीं सुना होगा, पता नहीं हमारी जैसे कुछ हो हैं बच्चे जो कि आगे चल के बना देते हैं, ठीक है? मतलब काफी लोग हैं, बट वो मोस्टली बैक एंड सर्विसेज है, दैट्स व्हाई। बट व्हाट दे डिड, दे टेक इट एज ए चैलेंज कि नहीं यार, हमें ये चीज ना सारे पूरे इंडिया को दिखाना है और बिना लैग के।
ओके गाइस, इमेजिन करो एक सिचुएशन में जाओ, ठीक है? अभी इंडिया का मैच चल रहा है, देयर आर 2 करोड़ पीपल वाचिंग इट लाइव, ठीक है? और एक बहुत ही पावरफुल सिस्टम चाहिए होगा, अगर आप देखोगे मतलब इन लेमन्स लैंग्वेज बहुत ही पावरफुल सिस्टम चाहिए होगा, ठीक है? अभी मैच के टाइम पे चल रहा है, मैच जैसे ही खत्म होगा अचानक से उनके कॉन्करेंट व्यूअर्स जो होंगे बहुत ड्रॉप होंगे, राइट? So is it feasible for them as a company to keep running those beefy services, I mean beefy servers?
मैं तुम्हें एक सिंपल एग्जांपल बताता हूं। लेट्स से देयर इज अ रिवर, ठीक है? आज रिवर में बाढ़ आई है, ओके, एंड डैम इज फुल। एक सेकंड के लिए अगर मैं पूरा पानी कट कर दूं, व्हाई डिड आई बिल्ड अ डैम देन, राइट?
हां, व्हाट क्या पॉइंट है, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा पे कर रहे होंगे, राइट? सो हाउ डू वी सॉल्व इट, मतलब कि जिससे कंपनी भी प्रॉफिटेबल रहे और इंडिया का मैच भी चलता है लैग फ्री, राइट? कैसे करेंगे? दैट्स व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू टीच यू।
they switched to cloud services. In the blog, after the match, I guess 1 week later, the entire Hotstar team in the engineering section wrote a blog, and they claimed that we tested for 10 crore, and we definitely 10 crore is sufficient there. Definitely 2 crores will go right. They tested for 10 crore, or like when they were load testing. Can you clap for that? Because streaming is that much quantity, never happened. They deserve it. They deserve it. And this thing was done in 6 months. Yeah, not done earlier.
Compare कर दो जियो सिनेमा से. Hotstar is much better in terms of streaming than Jio Cinema, right?
Yes.
And you know what happened now? Next month, next 2 months, IPL होने वाला था. What Jio Cinema did? They hired them. They hired the entire, you know, 7 people. The 7 people were hired back to Jio Cinema, and yeah, this business. Yeah, that's how it works. Actually, one more question. There's a app that you guys use every day-to-day life. What is that app? No, not Saturday, for chatting to somebody. WhatsApp, right?
WhatsApp.
How many people do you think work at WhatsApp office as developers? 150, okay. Anybody else? 500, okay. हाँ, सब definitely इतने लोग डाउनलोड करते हैं, सब ज़्यादा होंगे ना? हाँ. तो any other cases?
50.
हाँ? 50? Close. 47. WhatsApp office only has 47 developers.
Maybe it is of as of now, but I guess just to tell you, it was basically WhatsApp was started by just 2 persons,
Correct.
and when they sold it to Facebook, I guess for 2 billion, or I guess.
There is a story behind. Basically, the person left the company. He was kicked out of Facebook, and he paid WhatsApp, and the CEO got him back. Yeah.
I don't know, for 2 billion. Basically, think of a company. Like seriously, if I will give you 1 million, is your life sorted? और चाहिए कितना?
ये बता दो.
फिर बताना होगा क्या कैसे स्पेंड करना है. हो गया, ठीक है. तो बेसिकली भाई 10-15 मिलियन सबके लिए इनफ होते हैं, राइट? So basically, what there is a really nice story of the just for developers. What they did, they started WhatsApp, and at one time, WhatsApp was like everyone was using WhatsApp, but WhatsApp was still not profitable. They are a team. They basically they started from 2, and they after some time that is a company of 49 employees. And seriously, you guys know, then everyone was behind WhatsApp that we want to buy you, but then Facebook bought it, and everyone has get millions of dollars. Well, basically they bought it for $2 billion. Facebook bought it for $2 billion. Most of them are retained by Facebook, so they are still in job. So that 2 billion was distributed within the company employee, and all of them go to the nearest Ferrari store, and all of them bought a red Ferrari. That was a team goal.
Correct. Sir. Now, the recent one ठीक है. Facebook क्या बोलता है? Insta पे नया feature है किसका? Threads. How many developers in Threads team nowadays? 30. Correct. Only 30 people scripted the entire Threads framework in how many days? Any guesses? That is 2 days. 250 days. 1 week. Correct. But you know what? वही जो क्लास चलता है.
और कुछ नहीं करना, जावास्क्रिप्ट मास्टरी पे चले जाओ, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी बना के रखा हुआ है, तुम भी बना सकते हो. That was basically, but that was not scalable, but good. So that was the thing. Like it was really okay. And just think of that, like 13 developers created a project, and in the week that is used by more than 500 million users.
Right. So
Think as a developer, like how big of that achievement was.
can you imagine just a bunch of people making things that potentially billions of people are going to use without app? Just a bunch of people.
And let me tell you one more thing. While speaking, if you are thinking that the developers are 13 developers today, they are very much experienced in industry. Trust me, minimum 5 are there who have beginners only. Let's say SD or SD2. With only how much? 3 years or 4 years of experience. It's not like very experienced people make that. No.
So how has this been possible? I mean, a bunch of people are making things that are so scalable that millions of people are starting to use it overnight, right? Like it happened in case of Threads. How has it been possible? Cloud. That's what we are trying to teach. Docker, cloud, Kubernetes, these are the keywords that are going to be very relevant if you are going to work in this space.
यार कभी तो VS कोड पे एक साइड में आ गया होगा डॉकर वगैरह करके, किसी ने देखा आपने VS कोड पे? हाँ, बहुतों में आएगा VS कोड, तो सब यूज करते हो राइट? हाँ, कोई बता सकता है डॉकर होता क्या है बेसिकली?
Now we have both का बोल दिया, कोई तो बता दो डॉकर क्या होता है, समराइज कर दो एनीबॉडी? अभी नहीं समझ आया?
डॉकर
यार नींद आ रहा है क्या?
नींद आ रहा है क्या? खाना अच्छा लगा? क्या खाना अच्छा लगा?
नहीं लवली क्या है पता है?
अच्छा
ओके फाइन वी आर टाइम फॉर शेयर हियर, ये सारी बातें वी आर करेंगे नेक्स्ट पॉइंट में, राइट? मूविंग ऑन. Okay, wait, hold on. There is something called as key pair. Can anyone tell me what is a key pair and why do we need to use it? You can see it's written there, right? Create a key pair. Why is it required and what is it? Anyone? Okay, so kind of like a password, but not a password, right? That's what you are trying to tell. Okay, that's very correct. Key pair is something through which you can basically access something, right? Imagine there is a lock, right? Okay, how many of you know about?
यहाँ पे कितने लोगों के पास चाबी है? नॉर्मल की होगा, क्यों होगा? बेसिकली कोई ना कोई एक तो लॉक खोलना होगा. लॉक खोलने का क्या मिलता है? किसी एक एरिया का एक्सेस. तुम अपने रूम में ताला मारते हो, ताला खोलो तो उस रूम का एक्सेस मिलेगा जब तक आप चोर नहीं हो, मतलब साइबर सिक्योरिटी वाले, रेड टीम वाले हैकर्स नहीं. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है? की से आपको एक्सेस मिलता है एक रूम का. सेम गोज फॉर दिस वन,
राइट? तो अभी की बनाना है, राइट? की से एक्सेस मिलता है, बट व्हाई की पेयर? दो क्यों बनाना है? पेयर मतलब दो, राइट? व्हाई डू वी नीड टू मेक टू कीज? एनीवन?
गाइस पासवर्ड तो पूछ सकते हैं ना, पासवर्ड करने के क्या @ 1 2 3 4.
हाँ, मतलब another option is password, another is key pair. Why key pair? That's not it, right? If you want to do admin access, you have to create another key pair, right? Key pair basically it identifies you. Okay.
Key pair actually combination of public key and private.
Okay, a combination of a public key and private key. What is the public key and what is the private key? अगर आप एक लॉक को एक चाबी से खोल सकते हो, why do we need keys? Anyone? Okay, fine.
अच्छा let me be more general. Everybody has ID card, right? What do you think this is? Is it a public key or private key? Private key? Why not public key? Only I can have a pass. Why? Because of public key. Anyone can create it. Correct.
Right. So we need two pair of keys. Now how it works is, I want you to imagine a lock, a special kind of lock, जिसको अगर आप एक चाबी से बंद करोगे ना, तो वो सिर्फ उसके पैर वाला चाबी है उससे खुलेगा, राइट? आप लॉक करने के लिए कोई और की यूज कर रहे हो और ओपन करने के लिए कोई और की यूज कर रहे हो, राइट? So you lock the content with public key and lock it using a private key. That's how it works.
Imagine like WhatsApp. You see now WhatsApp is the end-to-end encryption. How do you think this end-to-end encryption works?